Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll go over a strap, just kind of test fit and see how it looks like. But newsflash, it's basically the same strap that we already have right here, just from a different company. So anyway, let's just get into it. Now with that being said, I am doing a bunch of those, so I do have videos also on other straps that are actually more unique than the one that looks virtually exactly the same as the one that comes with the watch itself. There we go. Now obviously, if you already have this one, the original one I believe will be a little bit better. This, for instance, doesn't have the separating little thingy thing, however you want to call it. So it's just a one piece, while here you do have the option to take it off and move it down or up however you want. Here it's just here or nowhere. Now I am assuming, yep, it's hollow inside, so technically you could just kind of like yank it out like this, and as you can see, it's basically a link. So with that being said, might not be obviously as good as this one. This one goes all the way, will hold it a little bit better. This not so much, but in general I just actually put it on. Now comparing it to, let's actually take it off for a moment. I want to have a feel of both of these. So the original one is a little bit heavier, feels a little bit more premium. This one feels cheaper, kind of. If you want to compare it, this feels like it's actual silicone, this feels like it's foam. So that's kind of the comparison I would have. So it's much lighter and also just a little bit flimsier feeling. So this gives me a little bit more resistance when bending it. There's not so much. But other than that, the aesthetics of it is exactly the same, just the difference is this one is black instead of orange. And in terms of fit, I can actually get it on there. Come on, there we go. So in terms of fit, this actually stretches a little bit more, so you can kind of see it stretch, something that the original one doesn't really do all that much. Now when it comes down to actual like fit of this, just as the other one, it fits pretty well on my wrist. The holes there are pretty good, even though I have the tiniest wrist. So it's comfortable, it's good. I personally do like this design of the little belt buckle. So it does, as you can see, hold the actual belt a little bit better than a typical strap would. Now, with that being said, putting it on is a little bit more difficult because you do kind of get it stuck on here. Same as this one. Now, the reason why I'm talking about it in a little bit more detail is because the Watch Ultra doesn't always come with this one. You can get one with different straps and different types of straps. So you might not have this one, right? So the strap and how it feels like might be a little bit foreign to you. But in general, I do like the design. It's a little bit cumbersome to put it on because it's harder to get it past the first point. But once you get it, as you can see, it kind of like locks in. And additionally, when you put the actual belt through it, like I said, it locks into place, so there's very little chance that it's actually gonna come out easily. So it's a pretty nice feature, makes it a little bit safer too if your watch tends to like have the strap kind of escape it and maybe sometimes unclip itself. This should not happen here. So there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.